Hi there, welcome to TechChain. Today we will be learning about the nature of economic problem. Well, when we read the topic's name, the first question that arises to our mind is that what is the basic economic problem? The basic economic problem is to allocate scarce resources to satisfy the needs of the people. This is determined by the three economic agents who are individuals or households, firms or businesses, and government. It will further be discussed in future chapters. Now, private sector is the part of the economy which is owned by individuals or households and firms or businesses. They mainly aim to earn profit for its owner. Public sector, on the other hand, is part of the economy owned by the state or government. They aim to help the economy. With this all in mind, what are needs and wants? Needs are the goods or services which are essential for survival, like food. Wants are completely different. They are the demands of the population which are not necessary for survival, like a car. Finally, to the last topic: free goods and economic goods. So, what are they? Economic resources are non-natural resources which are limited in supply, like oil. Free goods are natural resources which are unlimited in supply, like water. Great job! We are done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found it helpful. Bye.